Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JV from Unique Tutorials. Today I will show how you can get the best macro shots in your iPhone, which have the single camera only, by using the third-party macro lenses. So first of all, you need to purchase some good macro lenses, whether from the offline store or from the online store. After that, you just need to attach it on the iPhones to get the best macro shots. So here I have purchased ivoltaa universal smartphone lenses, which is mentioned as 4K. So under this box I get this case. Under this case I'll get some lenses, which includes the wide angle lens, and below it is the macro lenses. So here I am reviewing only the macro lenses. This is the macro lenses. So you can see the macro lenses. So this will not directly fit on your iPhone lenses. So what you need to do, you need this clip holder. This you need to attach here. It's like this. After that, you need to attach this clip on your iPhone holder. So let's take some samples how the photo quality come out using the third-party macro lenses. So now you can see that here I have attached the macro lenses on my iPhone SE, which is having the single camera lens. So after attaching this single camera lens, we'll try how the macro shots come out to be. So just open the stock camera app and we'll try to focus the lenses. By pointing the camera near it, just you can see how good it becomes, and when you take it far it becomes very blue. So if you keep it near, just you can take the pictures and you can just click it. So I'll click some photos and we'll compare how's the quality of those macro shots using the third-party lenses in our single camera iPhones.